Look at it. It's a scrap. Waste of money. We brought it back to life, baby. This is it, man. Stay tuned as we are going to repair this BMW E30. Look at how it's shining. This thing is shining, baby. This is pure talent, baby. We did this without a spraying booth. Yeah, man. And let me tell you one thing. This is not a driving car. This is our drifting and spinning box. We built this car only for drifting and spinning. It's only for those events. It's not for everyday drive or weekends drive. No.
Panic mechanic.
Yeah. Look at it, baby. It's clean and fresh. And it's shining, baby. Look at it. I want to show you the magic.
Huh? This is BMW. And this one on the banana branch.
So let me take you back before we paint it. This is how we prepared it. I never thought we can open a YouTube account whereby we will be posting cars. So we don't have enough video whereby we documented this video from the scratch. We was just only taking the highlights. So I never thought I could own a YouTube account in my entire life. We have a YouTube account now where we post the car which we are fixing. So stay tuned. Let me show you the next project that we are going to do.
Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. I just bought myself BMW E30's body. I told you we just bought ourselves two BMWs and they're both E30. This is your project, guys. So please comment on a comment section down there. Which one do you think it's better? Should we first start with this white one or the red one? Yeah, this is it, man. This is the other one which I'm talking about. Which one should we start with? Should we start with the red one or this white one? As you can see, it's not that bad. We can still brought it back to life. Look at it. It does not have a tire. Also at the back, it does not have a tire. Both of them, they don't have tires. Does not have an engine. Yeah, look at it, bruh. This is the engine. The engine is a 3. Okay, let me show you. This is Toyota gearbox. Yep. This is BMW E30 bonnet. Okay, let me take you inside. And it is still clean, as you can see. We are going to make it a spin car. This is it, man. It have got a steering wheel and it have got dashboard. Everything, it is still here. This one, it does not have a steering wheel and it does not have a dashboard, this one, as you can see. The seats, what do you think? Should we change the seat or we should use the bucket seats? This one does not have seats. Should we change the steering wheel or should we use this one? Should we remove the dashboard or should we use this one? Comment on the comment section down there. This is the proof shaft, but this one, you can see it is rusty here on the boot. It is rusty, as you can see. But we're gonna work on it. It's a small job, it's a small thing. It is dirty inside, but it does not have rust. Also with the roof, as you can see, it is still fine. This one, it have got sunroof, as you can see. But this kind of body is the one which I like the most. When we are doing the stunting, suicide and everything, this is it, man. There's no seats here, as you can see, even at the back. This is the front bumper. Yeah, this is it, man. The brake booster, the steering rack, it is still here. As you can see, this car is not rusty. We just have to clean it up, then we panel beat it, then we put new paint. What do you think, guys? This is our upcoming E30 project. It's gonna be lovely, baby. Which one should we start with? Please comment down on the comment section bar. Yeah, this is it, man. What do you think? What should we put inside here? Nissan VQ, Toyota 1UZ, Toyota Lexus 3UZ, BMW E30 M20 engine. Which one do you think we should put inside here? Please comment down on the comment section. What do you have in mind? This is not my project. It's your project. This is it, man.